Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So last class we were discussing about rounding of numbers to nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, crore, etc. Okay, so 8th question was homework. So let's discuss the answer. For the numbers given below, give the approximation correct to first one tens and second hundreds. So 546. To nearest 10 it will be 550 and to nearest hundreds it will be 500. Okay. B 783. To nearest 10 it will be 780 and to nearest hundreds it will be 800. Okay. C 937. To nearest 10 it will be 940 and nearest hundreds it will be 900. D 45,381. To nearest 10 it will be 45,380 and to nearest hundreds it will be 45,400. Okay. E 53,712. To nearest 10 it will be 53,710 and to nearest hundreds it will be 53,700. Okay. F 6,98,301. So to nearest tens it will be 6,98,300 and to nearest hundred also 6,98,300. Okay. Next topic is rounding of decimals. In that first one, rounding off to the nearest ones. Okay. So let's take one example. Round off 9.6 to the nearest ones. So you have to round off this number 9.6 to its nearest ones. For rounding off to the ones, nearest ones, you have to see the digit in the tens place. TENTHS. Tens place. Okay. You have to see the digit in the tens place. Here what is the number? Tens place means the place that comes after, just after the decimal place, decimal point. This is tens place. Okay. After this it will be the hundreds place. Okay. After hundreds place it will be thousands place. Okay, like that it will go on. Next, here the digit in the tens place it is 6. Now, if the digit in the tens place is greater than or equal to 5, then you have to replace the digit in the tens place by 0 and replace the ones place digit by adding 1 to that digit. That is 9 will become 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. So, here the 6 is greater than or equal to 5. So, replace 6 by 0 and replace 1's place digit by adding 1 to that. So, 9 will become 9 plus 1, 10. So, the answer will be 10. Okay, 9.6 will become 10. Okay, so this is to its nearest ones. Okay, now if the tens place digit is less than 5, then you replace the tens place digit by 0 and no need to change the ones place digit. Let us take example 9.3. In place of 9.6 it is 9.3. So here tens place digit is 3 which is less than 5. So replace tens place digit by 0. No need to change the ones place digit. So 9.3 will become 9. Okay. 9.0 means 9. Okay. So 9.3 is rounded off to 9. This is to its nearest ones. Okay. If it is greater than 5, then you have to replace tens place digit by 0 and add 1 to the ones place digit. Okay. If it is less than 5, you just replace tens place digit by 0. No need to change the ones place digit. Okay, so this is all about rounding off to the nearest ones. Now let's do exercise problem, exercise 6b. First one, round off each of the following to the nearest ones. So A, 5.7. So you have to round off to the nearest ones. So you have to see the digit at tens place. So here digit at tens place it is 7. Okay, if the digit at tens place is greater than or equal to 5, then replace the digit by 0, tens place digit by 0, and add 1 to ones place digit. Okay, so here it is 7 which is greater than 5. So replace 7 by 0 and add 1 to ones place digit. So 5 will become 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, so the number is 6.0. 6.0 we will just simply write 6. So 5.7 is rounded off to nearest ones, that is 6. Okay, next B, 38.7. So here also you have to round off to the nearest one. So you have to look at the digit at tens place. Here it is 7 which is greater than or equal to 5. So if it is greater than or equal to 5, you have to replace tens place digit by 0 and add 1 to ones place digit. So 8 will become 8 plus 1, 9. So the number will be no change will be there for the remaining places digit. 3, there will be no change for 3. So 39.0. So 39.0 means 39, just 39 you can write. Okay, next C, 12.3. So 12.3 you have to round it off to nearest ones. So you have to consider or see the digit at a tens place. So tens place it is 3 which is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, replace the tens place digit by 0 and no need to change the other places digit. No need to change the ones place digit or any other places digit. So 12.3 will become 12.0. That is simply 12 you can write. Okay, next D, 189.5. So here you have to round off to the nearest ones. So see the digit at a tens place. Here it is 5 which is greater than or equal to 5. If it is 5, you have to consider greater than or equal to 5 case. Okay, so 5. So replace tens place digit by 0 and add 1 to ones place digit. So here it is 9. 9 plus 1 you will get 10. But you can't write a 10 here. So instead you just write 0 and add 1 to the tens place digit. So 8 will become 8 plus 1, 9. So the number will be 190.0. That is 190. Okay. Next, E and F do as homework. Okay. Next it is rounding off to the nearest tenths, that is 1 decimal place. Let's take one example, round off 9.76 to the nearest tenths. Okay, so in order to round off to the nearest tenths, you have to see the digit in the hundredths place. That is, after decimal point it will be tens place. After tens place it will be hundredths place. So here 9.76 you have to consider the hundredths place digit, that is 6. Here it is 6. Okay, if the digit in the hundredths place is greater than or equal to 5, then replace hundredths place digit by 0 and add 1 to tens place digit. Okay, so here 6, here it is in hundredths place, it is 6 and 6 is greater than or equal to 5. So replace the hundredths place digit by 0 and add 1 to tenths place digit. So 7 will become 7 plus 1, 8. So the number is, no need to change any other places digit. So the number is 9.8. 9.80, no need to write 0 here. Okay, so 9.8. Okay. Now if the hundredths place digit is less than 5, then you just replace the hundredths place digit by 0. No need to change any other places digits. Okay, so here if it is 9.73, so here hundredths place digit is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So just replace hundredths place digit by 0. Okay, no need to change any other digits places. So the number will be 9.7. Okay. Now let's do the second problem. Round off each of the following to the nearest tens. Okay. First question, A 12.38. So you have to round off to the nearest tens. So you have to see the digit at the hundredths place. Here it is 8. And we know that 8 is greater than or equal to 5. So replace 8 hundredths place digit by 0 and add 1 to tens place digit. So 3 will become 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. So if it is greater than, hundredths place digit is greater than or equal to 5, replace hundredths place digit by 0 and add 1 to tens place digit. So here it will be 12.4. 12.40, no need to write that. Just 12.4 you will write. Okay, so 12.38 will become 12.4. Okay, next B 48.43. So you have to round off to the nearest tens. So you just see the digit at the hundredths place. So here it is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So if the digit at hundredths place is less than 5, replace the hundredths place digit by 0. No need to change any other places digit. So 48.43 will become 48.4. Okay. Next C 98.69. So rounding off to nearest tens, you have to see the digit at hundredths place. Here it is 9. So 9 is greater than or equal to 5. So replace hundredths place digit by 0 and add 1 to tenths place digit. So 6 will become 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. So the number will be 98.7. No need to change the other places digit. If the digit at hundredths place is greater than 5, greater than or equal to 5, replace hundredths place digit by 0 and add 1 to tens place digit. So the answer will be 98.7. Okay, next D 378.45. So rounding off to nearest tens, you have to see the digit at hundredths place. So here it is 5. So 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so replace the hundredths place digit by 0 and add 1 to tenths place digit. Here 4 will become 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so the number 378.45 will become 378.5. Okay, E and F do as homework. Okay. So this much for this class. Remaining problems we can discuss it in the next class. Thank you.